Welcome to our guide. Today, we're breaking down the easy personal loan process for beginners right here in the USA. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a personal loan and why might you need one? A personal loan is typically an unsecured loan you can use for almost anything, such as debt consolidation, covering large expenses, or major purchases. Three key components to understand are the principal, which is the amount you borrow, the interest rate, the cost of borrowing, and the term, the repayment period. Before applying, a solid preparation phase is crucial. This sets you up for the best possible outcome. First, check your credit score and report. Your score determines the interest rates you qualify for, making it a vital step. Next, figure out exactly how much you need and realistically assess your ability to repay the loan over the term. Never borrow more than you can comfortably afford. Once prepared, you need to find the right lender. Where should you look for a personal loan? You have options. Loans are available through traditional banks, member-focused credit unions, and increasingly popular online lenders. It's essential to compare offers, focusing on the annual percentage rate, or APR, to find the true cost of borrowing. The next stage is submitting your application and waiting for that crucial approval. You'll typically need documents like government ID, proof of income, and sometimes bank statements for verification. The application process involves providing your personal and financial details. Be thorough and honest to speed up the review. Underwriting is when the lender evaluates your risk. Approval can take anywhere from a few hours with online lenders to several days with traditional banks. Once approved, it's time to get your funds and understand your repayment obligations. Funds are usually dispersed directly into your bank account via electronic transfer, often within a day or two of final approval. To ensure successful repayment, set up automatic payments. This helps you avoid late fees and keeps your credit healthy. That wraps up our guide to the personal loan process. Let's quickly summarize the key takeaways. Remember the easy steps. Prepare your finances, shop around for the best rates, complete the application carefully, and manage your repayments diligently. By following these simple steps, you can successfully navigate the personal loan process in the USA. Happy borrowing!